Come nu. Nest for next few days because it's weekend and holidays in Denmark, so we borrowed Luisa's mom and dad's vacation house, so it's very close to the beach, right over there, right over there. It takes 5 minutes to go there, but yeah, it's very nice, but it's cloudy today. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you, how it looks here. So it's nice hill, and then they have put a small bench here so we can sit here and have a cup of coffee or something, watch the sun go down, or it's very cozy here. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this, but yeah. Hey guys, so we've been here 3 days and the weather's not been nice, so we decided, okay, let's go anywhere outside. So we're gonna go see a place where there's a nice town, what's it called, a lot of boats, and a nice place to eat ice cream. So we're gonna go check that out. So come with me, I'll show you. So here we are. So there's a lot of wind sports here. You can see the kites and windsurfing there, and then there's a shop for sports adventure, and this is the place you can get nice ice creams and stuff. Yeah, but the thing is, we forgot the baby's mattress for the pram, so we cannot go out. I can't because she's sleeping here, so I have to stay and keep an eye on her. And Luisa went out with Jamie to get an ice cream, so yeah, that's a little bit sad that I cannot go out. But I'll show you guys around. Maybe when she comes back, I'll go and have a show you guys around the marina and a little bit windsurfing they're doing. Yes. It's called, and it's it's not that big, but it's very cozy. A lot of boats here, and you can see they have built those vacation houses there, small apartments. Gets a nice view of the marina. It's very expensive, and this is the only city center, I think, for marina, and a lot of shops there, ice cream and everything you can get at restaurants. You can see big seagulls here. Whee! Yeah. This is a nice boat. I mean, look at that fancy ass. See? So those are the apartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. Must be very, I don't know if those are vacation houses or those are apartments. Probably people live there. Must be expensive though. So I don't know if you can hear me properly. It's very windy. It's always windy in Denmark. But yeah, I'll show you guys around where the kite surfing is happening and also the wind surfing. Let's go. Surfers here because it's that's where they train, and it's always full here. You can see. Not many kites, but only 1 and 2 kite surfers. Call it in Denmark, hygge. It's like a hut. I think it's supposed to be sauna. I think that's a sauna to get the view of the ocean, and you can sit in there and have a nice sauna. Huh? A lot of German people here actually also come on vacation, and they do windsurfing. Yeah, and you can actually get a course also here. A lot of people come here in the summertime. So we're home. We're gonna go on the hill and check if there's any snakes. Yeah, lately, there's been a lot of snakes coming here. We heard from Luis's dad, so he killed a few of them. But come here, Jamie. Whiskey. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you have to always keep an eye here, because there's always sitting in the bush and something. But they get this special kind of machine. See this one. So it makes a little bit noise, a different kind of frequency, which I think snakes can hear, and then they don't come around it. So yeah, they have installed a few of them over here. So yeah. Hi Jamie, come. Yeah, आ जाओ. यहाँ पे उड़ाएंगे. Yeah. So yeah, it's a very nice summer house. It's actually, as compared to other houses here, see these ones. It's okay, quite big. It has 2 big bedrooms, 1 small bedroom, kitchen, hall, everything inside furnished, and a big terrace, and then this hill too. Ja, Ben.
Yeah.
Anu, Ben, no. So that's it, guys, for now. And thank you for watching the vlog. It's very small, but yeah, it was cozy. Just wanted to show you guys around. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Please, if you like the video or my channel, the videos I make, please subscribe to the channel. And I'm making also informative videos about Denmark, so please stay tuned for that. So please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now.